In this video, I'm going to share CPA marketing strategy, and this is 100% guaranteed strategy. I guarantee you will 100% able to generate sales if you watch this video till the end.
We teach you to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
First step is you guys came to CPAGrip, and today we're gonna promote CPAGrip offer and we're gonna do CPA marketing. And a lot of you know CPAGrip is one of the greatest and good platform, and it is this is a very good platform for beginners because they literally approve your account instantly. There is a lot of different platforms related to CPA marketing. They literally require a lot of stuff and it's very hard to approve their accounts. So CPAGrip is very good for beginners, especially if you click register and you guys literally fill out all your details and your account will be created instantly. Okay, so I have my account. I'm gonna click login and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Okay, so right now you guys can see I am logged in my CPAGrip account, and you guys can see these are recently added offers and these are top performing offers, and to be honest it's a really good offers. Few of, but they have like different countries. This is like a language barrier, that's why I'm not gonna promote. So the easiest way I'm gonna show you, like simply click on my offers, offer tools, and click on my offers. So now you guys can see this page opens up and these are a few filters, so you guys can select any country. So I'm gonna go with like English countries. Like first is United States. You guys can also select a specific like category or specific stats. So I'm gonna go with like only United States and looking for the highest payout, and you guys can see this is the highest payout is like $2.44, and this is the highest payout right now. So let's go with, I'm gonna see one of this, like this is for mobile. So this is the same offer and this is for desktop and this is for mobile. So I'm gonna open this up. Now you guys can see this offer is open up, and you guys can see this is like a win for free Dove pack. So this is Dove related, all conditioner, shampoo, soap and cream. I don't know what is these kind of things, but this is a whole form like first name, last name, email, and this kind of stuff. If anyone enter their whole information, we will get $2.44, and this is like email and zip submits, and we selected only for desktop. And today I'm going to show you how we're going to promote this offer, and guaranteed you will start making money if you watch this video till the end. Okay, so simply copy that link and save in your notepad. So once you copy that link, then we go to the next website. So this website is called Linktree. So a lot of you know about Linktree, right? So if we need a very simple and basic landing pages, then we use Linktree, beacons.ai, this kind of platforms we used if we need very simple and basic landing pages, right? So we don't need this kind of landing page today. And second type of landing page we built from completely scratch, and we build really customizable landing page for this kind of like from customizable landing pages. We are using something like systeme.io, buildroll, ClickFunnels, this kind of landing page builder we use normally. So again, we are not going to use Linktree, and we are also not going to use systeme.io. I'm going to show you that strategy. We are going to promote that CPA link directly. We don't need any kind of landing page builder for that strategy. This is, I told you, completely different strategy. Today I'm going to show you. Once you watch this strategy, I will guarantee you will start making money. Okay, so we are not gonna build our landing pages. So next step is we normally need a traffic source, right? So you guys can see this kind of traffic source to promote our offer. Sometimes we need ads and this kind of stuff to promote our affiliate links, right? So today we don't need this kind of traffic source. I'm gonna show you completely different way to promote your offer. So let's go. I'm gonna show you from which platform we're gonna use to promote our offer. Okay, so let's go to this website, and this website is called microworkers.com. So I think very few people know about this website, and I think like very few people know about this website. And if you guys don't know, I'm going to give you a small overview. This website is a freelancing website, and I know a lot of people are thinking how we're going to promote our CPA offer using this kind of a freelancing website, right? So I'm going to show you how we're going to promote our offer, and this is a really great offer. Other people will start working for you and you will make money. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to show you what we're going to do first. Once you came to this website first time, you guys click on register. So once you click register, you guys scroll down and you guys can see this kind of page. So what you guys can do, fill out all your details like first name, last name. It's not necessary to add your all genuine details. You guys can add anything like in date of birth, but the main thing is like add real email and password to you guys access this website. Okay, so I have my account. I'm gonna log in and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Okay, so now you guys can see I am logged in this website, and I know this website does not looks really good. The interface, it's not really good to be honest, but this is a really great website. So once you log in first time in this website, you guys can see this kind of page. So what we're gonna do first, you guys can see create TTV campaign. I'm gonna click this. So once you click this, then you will able to see these two, like start a basic campaign or hire a group campaign. So I'm gonna click on start a new basic campaign first and scroll down a little bit, and you guys can see first this one. Like we go with like use internal template. Yes, go with this one. Scroll down and use, well, because our offer only works in United States, so we're gonna click USA Western, and I'm gonna select only United States. So now you guys can see I selected United States. If your offer is from any other country like United Kingdom, New Zealand, Canada, you guys can easily select from here. So my offer only works in United States, that's why I only selected United States. If you scroll down a little bit, you guys can see category for your campaign. So our campaign is related to email submit and zip submit, right? So it's very simple. You guys can see offer sign up, and we simply selected email submits. Okay, so scroll down a little bit, you guys can click choose a template, scroll all the way down, and you will easily find a sign up. You guys can see click sign up. Yes, so you can see I selected sign up, and if you scroll down a little bit, you guys can see these are 3 columns. So this is the very important part. Make sure you guys must pay close attention. So we go with like 3. It means like we give them 3 minutes to complete this task. So it's a very easy task. People will add their first name, last name, email, and this kind of stuff. So 3 minutes, it's a lot of time. First, in 3 minutes, everyone very easily complete that task. Positions available, you guys can see it says minimum 30. So we go with like 30 minimum, and you guys can see earner, a worker will earn. So we give them 10 cents per email submit. Mean if one person register the form, we will pay them 10 cents. Okay, and we will make $2 and like more than 30-40 cents. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clear the math right now. So I'm gonna go with like give them 44 cents. So our average payout is like $2.44, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pay 44 cents to these workers, of these freelance workers. They will register the form for 44 cents, and we will make $2 net profit, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna calculate, and I'm gonna do small math right now, like 30 people multiplied by $2 is equal to $60. We are in net profit. Okay, if 30 people registered the form, we pay them 44 cents, we are in $60 profit, and we only pay nearly $15 we pay, and we are net profit $60. So what I suggest, if you are doing first time, I suggest go with like 30 people only. Okay, and once you start making money, then you guys go with like 100 people. Okay, so this is the scenario. Other people will register the form, and these are highly targeted people. You guys scroll up, I only selected United States. It means only United States people will allow to submit these forms. If any other will not be able to see this form, only US people will able to see this form in this website, and we pay them 44 cents to submit and register that form, and we will pay them 44 cents, and we will make $2 net profit for one person. Okay,
if you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video,
and I'm gonna also show you how you guys can make money for free, and they also have a paid way. I'm gonna show you both. So but before, I'm gonna complete this campaign, and then I'm gonna show you how you guys can make money completely for free, and how you guys can add your credit in this website. Okay, so scroll down a little bit, and you guys go with like speed 1000 is good, and now you guys can add a title. So just give me a second, I'm gonna add a title, and I'm gonna show you how you guys can add a title, what kind of title we required. Okay, you guys can see I paste the title here. You guys can see fill the form plus only desktop user allow to make money, and only for USA. So this is very specific, like people will fill the form only for desktop and only United States people. Okay, So scroll down. Now here you guys can add your criteria. So give me a second, I'm going to copy and paste, and then I'm going to show you how my criteria looks like. Okay, so you guys can see this is my criteria, like enter the right information and complete this form. Second, submit the form, and last it's a screenshot after the form, and you click this and we're gonna add our CPAGrip link here. Now you guys can see I added, like, here is the link. I'm gonna click enter and I'm gonna paste my CPAGrip link here, and I'm gonna remove this. Give me a second, like this, and this is how it looks like. It looks really good. So once you added your link, then we scroll down, do not add anything else. Okay, so scroll down a little bit and you guys can see file proof. So I'm gonna click on workers. So workers are required to upload a file as a proof, so I say them to upload a screenshot. You guys can see screenshot after the submit, after submit the form. Okay, they will must upload a screenshot. They will cost you 0.01 cent, but this is important. Okay, you guys must do this. Then scroll down, and time we go with like 7 days. It's a good one. You guys can also go with like 10 days. Now it's up to you. And click create campaign, and okay, we go with like this one and click create campaign, but our campaign will not be approved. Why? Because we don't have any money right now. We need money to approve our campaign. So I'm going to show you two ways to you guys can earn. Free way first, and second I'm going to show you a paid way. So what is the free way? You guys click on this jobs. Once you click on the jobs, you guys just scroll down a little bit and you guys can see these are all the jobs. So if we posted our job is also looks like this. So for example, first I'm going to give you example. If you click on this link, you will able all the instructions and every single thing and all these things. Okay, so first you guys can see the instruction. The basic instructions is like mobile app. So this is a mobile app. You guys can download, install the app, sign up the app, and upload a video proof, means screen record the video and upload the proof on this website, and you will earn $1.50. Okay, second is, this is like hardest one, the easiest one I'm going to show you. For example, website testing. Just sign up on this website and you will earn 0.08 cents. And you guys can see create an Gmail account, and again you will able to earn 0.08 cents. And you guys can see one more thing is like done. You guys can see, so 101 means 101 jobs are available at that point, but right now 74 jobs are done. Like still they have jobs remaining, but people are doing and making money. So it's zero payment they give, but still people are doing jobs and making money. Doing nothing, I don't know why a lot of people are doing, no idea, sorry, to be honest. So you guys can see 0.05 cents, 500 jobs available, 146 jobs are done, and people make like 5 cents on every single job. And what is the job? You guys can see, just watch the video, like the video, and comment the video. So this is how this kind of jobs. So you guys can also go and do these jobs and making money. Once you make money, then you guys go and run your own campaign. So this is the first way. It's a free way, and this way took some time, and it's, to be honest, it's a little bit hard way, because you guys must do a lot of works to make decent amount of money. Okay, so this is the first way. I'm going to show you the second way. If you scroll up a little bit, and you will able to see one thing is like deposit. Click on deposit, and you will able to see credit cards. So how much money you want to deposit, $10, $25, now it's up to you. So for example, you go with like $10, literally put $10 and click deposit, and you will able to deposit your money. So there's the two ways. First is free way. It's a little bit hard way. You guys must do work a lot and make money completely for free. And second way is you guys literally add deposit money from your credit card. Okay, so with this method you guys can create a TTV campaign and you will start making money with CPAGrip. Okay, so this is a very effective way. Literally, I think you never see that method before, and if you did this method successfully, I guarantee you will start making money from instantly, like from today. Okay, so with this method, definitely you're able to make money with CPA marketing. This is 100% guaranteed strategy. But keep in mind, go with like 30 workers first time. Once you start seeing results, then go with like 100 workers and 200 workers a day.
And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.